number 8,000 for gas. Good afternoon. I've been laying in bed for maybe 2 hours or so because I just feel so tired these last couple days, or this last week that I've been here since moving in. I just been like literally running around and I haven't been able to have like any downtime. So that's why I'm still in my bonnet. All I did today was brush my teeth and make breakfast. So that's pretty much it for me as of right now. I really want to clean my apartment. It's not that it's like dirty or anything, but since I moved in, I haven't really like mopped. I did clean my bathroom obviously so that I can shower while I'm here, and my kitchen has been clean, but I haven't like swept or mopped in here. And I don't want to have like shoes in my house, and that's literally all I've been doing, walking in here with shoes because I hadn't cleaned. So today my goal is to to master my closet. I have to like at least organize it as best as I can, so I can remove everything from the floor, and that way I can like clean everything up. And I have a box in my room that is pretty much items that belong in the bathroom, so I want to organize that as well as best as I can. I did try, or I wanted to vlog my entire moving process because I never said anything, but the big news that I had mentioned in my previous video, which is my makeup video that I did for my birthday, I said that big things were happening, and one of those big things was me moving from New York to Texas. So I'm here now. Now I have to still wash my dishes from the breakfast that I made this morning, and then I can start cleaning up everything else. I'm literally obsessed with my apartment, like obsessed. I love it here. So it just gets a little lonely sometimes, like knowing that I'm here like 100% by myself. Obviously before I had roommates, and now I'm literally like in my own space. So yeah, and please disregard the bonnet because my hair probably looks so crazy right now under it. It needs a deep treatment. It needs to be cared for. A whole lot of TLC needs to happen, but I don't have the energy or anything for it right now, so it's just gonna stay in the bonnet for right now. Back at you again with the bonnet, and this time it is 5:18. I started cleaning, I want to say like around 1, but I did get rid of a box that I had in my room, and then I arranged like my drawers and my closet. So great progress, but this apartment was so dusty. Like I feel like even the parts that I already mopped, I'm gonna have to like mop again, but that's not gonna be today. Like I'm just gonna finish mopping up my room, living room area, and then obviously the kitchen. But when I tell y'all that it was dusty in here, like it was dusty, like it's incredible. I still actually have the dust pan is right here. Like this is ridiculous. Like seriously, I'm just like, I really wanted to go to the pool. I mean, the pool does close at 10 and it is really hot outside, like extremely. I opened my door to put my garbage outside and the heat is just insane. Like thank God for central AC because I would have been dying right now. I'm hungry and I think I'm gonna heat up the food that I had left over from yesterday. But then later on, I'm gonna have to cook something because I do work tomorrow. So I need to have food made for my lunch. I might go out and buy some things again. Perks of moving into a new place, you don't have anything, so you literally have to buy things little by little. But I actually need to figure out until what time that store I want to go to is open until. Because I want to get that, and then I want to go to Target and get oatmeal and sugar and cinnamon and stuff like that. But so far it's been a very productive afternoon. I'm just hungry. I think I'm gonna have a banana. It's literally on its last leg. Like it's about to be like extra sweet, I know, and it's like super soft. Not my favorite. I didn't eat it soon enough, but it is what it is. Hey guys, so I'm currently on my way to Target. I really thought I was gonna be done by 8, but I got done before, and right now it's 7:35. So I'm glad that I actually got done beforehand because your girl is beat. I am super tired. Literally, I'm just gonna grab what I need and I'm heading out because I cannot. Like, I seriously cannot anymore. Is it just me or does everybody put their emergency brake when they park? Because, am I zoomed in? Because I swear, I put my emergency brake on every time. If I'm on a hill, if I'm not on a hill, like, it really doesn't matter. I'm still putting my brakes on. Alright, you guys. I cannot find, okay, let me see. The one thing I've had a hard time finding here is the Domino sugar. Like, it's nowhere to be freaking found. Me having this little cart right here, this little basket, just means that I really don't want to buy anything that I don't need. So here's the oatmeal. I've never seen Target in the city have like wines and like liquor like this ever. So this is like something completely new to me, and it's just like I'm in awe of like the selection that they have in here. I'm seriously so tired. So I got little other things that I wasn't going to get. to. Like, I couldn't just pass by it and not get it, so whatever. Just another bag of chips to add to my collection. I got some granola for my yogurt. Of course, my old-fashioned oatmeal. Sugar, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and I also got a candle, which is actually apple cinnamon. So this just means I'm ready for fall, and I'm gonna turn this on actually right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was pretty much just me cleaning. Make sure to leave any like suggestions, like video wise, of what you guys would want to see, and I will of course try to make those videos. See you guys in my next one. Bye guys.